Hello, beautiful soul, and welcome. Today is July 18th, 2025, a perfect day to start a new conversation with your body. Before the world asks anything of you, take just 10 minutes for yourself. This isn't about striving, it's about greeting your body with kindness. Let's create a pocket of peace to carry with us throughout the day. Think of this practice as a loving whisper to your muscles and joints, waking them up gently. Instead of rushing into your to-do list, let's begin with mindful movement, right from your bed. This small act of self-love can set a tone of awareness and compassion for your day. You don't need any special equipment, just your willingness to listen. Let go of expectations and simply be present in this gentle exploration of movement and breath. Take a deep, cleansing breath in, and as you exhale, let go of the night and arrive fully in this moment. Let's get started. Why this gentle morning ritual? It's a love letter to your hips and lower back. These areas hold on to stress and tension, especially after long periods of sitting. This routine gently counteracts that, creating space and inviting fluidity. Gentle movement lubricates your joints, keeping them healthy and mobile. By moving your hips and spine each morning, you support their longevity. This practice grounds you, quiets mental chatter, and anchors you in the present. A consistent morning routine is an act of self-care, building trust and a loving relationship with your body. Each day you show up, you invest in your long-term well-being. Let's begin with the pelvic tilt, a subtle, powerful movement. Lie on your back, knees bent, feet hip-width apart. Rest your arms by your sides or on your belly. Notice the natural curve in your lower back. This is your neutral spine. On your exhale, gently press your lower back into the mattress, tilting your pelvis backward. Hold for a breath, feeling your back connect with the bed. Inhale, release the tilt, returning to neutral. Exhale, tilt, inhale, release. Repeat 5 to 10 times, moving with your breath. This gentle rock awakens your deep core muscles and mobilizes your lumbar spine. It's not about a workout, but about re-establishing a healthy connection to your core. The pelvic tilt relieves lower back tightness and sets the stage for what's next. Find your rhythm and enjoy this gentle movement. Let your breath guide you. Notice how your body responds. Now draw both knees into your chest, giving yourself a gentle hug. This position alone releases the lower back. Keeping your knees together, begin slow, mindful circles, clockwise first. The circles can be small, let your breath stay steady. Feel the gentle massage along your lower back and sacrum. After 5 to 10 circles, pause, then reverse direction. Notice any tight spots and linger there for a breath. Move slowly and with intention, letting your arms guide your legs. This movement lubricates the hip joints and continues the gentle massage for your back. It's a soothing, restorative way to say good morning to your hips. Breathe deeply as you move. Release your feet to the mattress, knees bent, feet wider than your hips. Extend your arms out to the sides in a T shape. Exhale, let both knees fall to the right. No need to force, just let gravity do the work. Feel the stretch along your left hip and a gentle twist in your back. Inhale, bring your knees to center. Exhale, let them fall to the left. Notice the sensations on each side. Flow side to side, exhaling as knees fall, inhaling to center. Repeat 5 to 8 times per side. This encourages hip rotation and provides a gentle twist for your spine. Imagine wringing out any stiffness from your back and hips. Let your breath lead the movement. Bring your feet hip-width apart, knees bent. Rest your arms by your sides, palms down. Inhale, press through your feet and lift your hips, peeling your spine off the bed. Squeeze your glutes at the top, opening the front of your hips. Exhale, slowly lower your hips, laying your spine down one vertebra at a time. Inhale to lift, exhale to lower, repeat 8 to 10 times. The glute bridge wakes up your glutes and hamstrings, supporting your lower back. Focus on control, not height. This gentle strength builds stability from the ground up. Let your breath and movement stay connected. Roll onto your side, pause, then press up to a seated position at the edge of your bed. Plant your feet on the floor, hands on your knees. Inhale, arch your spine, sending your heart forward, seated cow. Exhale, round your spine, tucking your chin, seated cat. Flow between these two shapes, linking breath and movement. Inhale to open, exhale to round. Repeat for 5 to 8 rounds. This brings mobility to your entire spine and opens your chest. Feel the stretch across your upper back and the release in your neck. Let your breath deepen with each movement. This is a gentle transition from lying down to being upright. Notice how your body feels more awake. Carry this sense of openness with you. Lie back, knees bent, feet flat. Cross your right ankle over your left thigh, flexing your right foot. Stay here, or draw your left knee toward your chest, threading your right hand through and clasping behind your left thigh. Feel the stretch in your right glute and outer hip. Keep your head and shoulders relaxed. Hold for 5 to 8 deep breaths, softening with each exhale. This stretch releases the piriformis and eases hip tightness. Gently release and uncross your legs. Pause, then repeat on the other side. Breathe deeply and notice the difference. Uncross your legs, hug both knees into your chest. Extend your arms to a T, exhale and let your knees fall to the right for a gentle spinal twist. Rest your hand on your top knee if you like, and turn your gaze to the left. Breathe deeply, feeling your spine lengthen and release tension. After several breaths, bring your knees to center, then twist to the left. Notice the sensations and let your body feel heavy and supported. Return to center, extend your legs long, and reach your arms overhead. Inhale, stretch from fingertips to toes, creating length through your whole body. Exhale, soften and release. Repeat this full body stretch 2 or 3 times. You've greeted your body with love and intention. Carry this feeling with you throughout your day. Thank yourself for showing up. You are ready for whatever comes next.